How's it going, everyone? Thanks for tuning in to the MEATER channel. Sometimes you cooked a meal so perfectly, you think about it from time to time. Just like your first love. Well, unlike some old buried relationships, some cooks you want to repeat, and here's how you do it. When you're setting up your next cook, you can tap Previous Cooks, select the cook you like to repeat, tap Repeat, then tap Start Cook, and you're ready to start cooking. If you had any custom alerts set up in the previous cook, they'll carry you over to your next one. For any cook, you can swipe left and favorite it or trash it. All of your favorited cooks will be pinned at the top of your history. You can tap any cook to see the summary, and here you can make extra notes, rate your cook, or share it. If you named your cook while setting it up, it might be easier to find in your cook history. With your history, you can learn from your experience and ultimately improve and get better and better. At least that's what therapy tells me. For more Prono videos, subscribe to this channel, find us on social media, and check out MEATER.com. Have an amazing cook, y'all!